I want to explain very clearly. Then we are misguided by the word religion. Religion does not mean what we practice present religion. For example, when I say the Christian religion, Islam religion, Buddhism, Jainism, like Sikhism, so many religion, Judaism, that is in fact is not religion. That is called the professed faith. That is called the cult, sectarian. You can say sectarian religion. A religion is only one thing which brings unity among all. If you are realizing unity among all, then you cannot say different religion. Religion is only one. What is that one religion which brings unity among all? That is the Kriya Yoga. If you practice Kriya Yoga, you will love Muslim, you will love Christian, you will love all varieties of people. You will not have any difference on the color, you will love black and white both. You will love people of all nations of the world. You will love Chinese, Japanese, Africans, Americans, Canadians, Indians. You will love everybody. I mean, this Kriya Yoga practice is giving thought of unity. Therefore, religion is only one, Kriya Yoga, that's all. If I say this, if you don't believe in this, all right. If you do not believe it, because you are not practicing it. If you practice Kriya Yoga sincerely with all devotion, practice it more and more, and follow the textbook, Foolish Science, Autobiography of Yogi. Then you will know what is written in Gita. You will know Mahabharata. You will know clear concept behind Bible. You will know teaching of Buddha, teaching of Mahavir Swami, teaching of Kabir Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, teaching of Moses, Abraham, Jesus Christ. Because we do not understand teaching, we are not understanding real teaching, therefore we are divided. Humanity is divided on the basis of professed cult. And this Hindu and Sanatan Dharma, both are the same. If Hindu does not explain this, that I am immortal, you are immortal, God has become all, then don't follow Hinduism. Sanatan Dharma explain this. I was before, I am now, I will remain again. I am eternal, immortal, you are immortal. We are having the past life, we have present life, we will have future. If Hinduism supports this is all right, correct. If Hinduism is not supporting this Sanatan Dharma, that we are Sanatan Dharma, then Hinduism is also cult. Therefore, according to Sanatan Dharma, the name of this area, which we call India, is given. India name is called the Bharat. Bha means complete knowledge, omniscient consciousness. Rat means oneness with omniscient consciousness. Omniscient consciousness means knowledge of creation, how to create anything, how to preserve it, how to make a change. That's the meaning of Bha. Rat means you are one, head to toe what you feel. It is presence of all kind of knowledge and power of creation, preservation and change. And if you practice anywhere, then that place is called the Bharat. If you are practicing, then you are called Bharatiya. The whole world is going to be Bharat one day. Because Bharat means oneness with the knowledge. Therefore you read in medical, engineering, so many things. This is all knowledge. But that is the stream of knowledge. Like very little knowledge. But what is the Kriya Yoga? Ocean of knowledge. Kriya Yoga is called the ocean of knowledge. Other knowledge like chemistry, physics, geology, botany, medical, engineering, astronomy, astrology, what we read in universities, that is called the knowledge like rivers. What is the Kriya Yoga? Like ocean. All river entering into the ocean. Therefore, when you practice Kriya Yoga, then you are going to understand all professed cult, sectarian religion. We feel cult, it appears bad, then don't say cult. You can say sectarian religion. But religion means only one thing, which brings a realization of unity. Therefore, religion is only one Kriya Yoga, note it down. If you do not accept, all right, you are free. If you're not accepting it, you are inviting virus attack. You are inviting bacterial attack. You are inviting fight in the home, fight within, fight in the society. Why invite the fight? If you are not accepting it, you are inviting to become poor. Lack of facilities. Why you want lack of facilities? You should have everything what you need. How to get it? Very easy. Practice Kriya Yoga sincerely. And try to believe Kriya Yoga is only one religion. And what is the textbook of Kriya Yoga? The best is called the Holy Science. Principle of Holy Science practiced by many saints and sages. About them is written autobiography of Yogi. Now come to the point. You have came here to learn Kriya Yoga, what I am teaching. Without knowing this concept, you cannot learn Kriya Yoga. You have to learn Kriya Yoga. This is the basic devotion. Without knowing this, you cannot learn Kriya Yoga. Note it down. I am going to give you a few minutes practice. Because what I have explained in Hindi, detail in depth, after listening more and more, you realize now the hard drive of mind and reasoning power is filled. Further, you cannot listen it. First proof effect of Kriya Yoga. Practice few minutes. You will realize all knowledge are absorbed. We have digested it. You can consume more. Therefore, practice with me few minutes Kriya Yoga. आंखें हम बंद कर ली. Let us close our eyes. Try to increase intensity of awareness and time of awareness to experience complete existence, complete presence of knowledge, power, peace, bliss, immortality, and everything, past, present, future, beginning, middle and end. How to feel this? आइए हम अच्छी तरह से हम जुड़ जाएं संपूर्ण ज्ञान से, संपूर्ण शक्ति से, परम शांति से, परम आनंद से हम जुड़ें. अतीत, वर्तमान, भविष्य से, आदि, मध्य, अंत से हम जुड़े. हम सबसे जुड़ने की क्रिया जब हम करते हैं तो इसी को क्रिया योग ध्यान कहते हैं. आइए जुड़ने की क्रिया किस तरह से करें. सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक इस अस्तित्व में एकाग्र हो जाए. जब हम सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक इसे अनुभव करते हैं, ये जितने प्रकार की ये अनुभूतियां हैं, यह अनुभूति संपूर्ण ज्ञान है. इसी अनुभूति में ज्ञान भरा हुआ है. सृजन, सुरक्षा, परिवर्तन का ज्ञान और जितने प्रकार के ज्ञान की कल्पना कर सकते हो करिए. सभी प्रकार का ज्ञान इस अनुभूति में विद्यमान है. कीपिंग आईज क्लोज्ड, feel head to toes. This head to toes we feel is the unique creation, presence of head to toes, various changes we realize within head to toes is presence of knowledge of all kinds. Imagine varieties of knowledge, many dimensions of knowledge, all kinds of knowledge we realize within head to toes. आंख बंद रखते हुए हम सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं. अनुभव करें। ये सभी प्रकार की अनुभूतियां जो हो रही है, ये संपूर्ण ज्ञान की उपस्थिति है। इस ज्ञान को हम प्रेम तत्व कहते हैं। हमें तो प्रेम चाहिए, तो प्रेम कहां से मिलेगा? सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक जिस अनुभूति को हम सर्वज्ञ तत्व कहते हैं, सभी प्रकार के ज्ञान की उपस्थिति कहते हैं, यही प्रेम तत्व भी है। Pay attention to head to toe changes within we feel. Is presence of knowledge of all kinds. But we have great desire of love. Then what is the love? This head to toe changes within which we accept presence of love of all kinds. This is called real love, true love. True love element we experience in the form of head to toes changes within. अब दोनों हथेली को सिर के पीछे रखे. Place both palm on the posterior surface of head. Feel head to toes. सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक स्वरूप में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं. हमें तो शक्ति चाहिए. याद रखिए, सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक इस अनुभूति को हम सर्वज्ञ तत्व की उपस्थिति कहते हैं. यही सच्चे प्रेम की उपस्थिति भी है और यही सर्वशक्तिमान तत्व भी है. We have great desire to enjoy presence of perfect power. We want to experience oneness with perfect power. It is very easy. Head to toes we feel is presence of complete unit of knowledge. It is presence of true love, and it is presence of omnipotent consciousness, complete unit of power. I want to drink some divine nectar to realize immortality. We do not want to die. We do not want to depart. We want to live on this earth so that we can serve. Therefore, we want to drink some divine nectar, Amrit. Very easy. Head to toes, changes within we feel. This is presence of complete unit of knowledge, true love, complete unit of power, and immortality. Immortality means immortal nectar. अमृत. हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं. रेज आर्म्स अप. पैर की अंगुली से हाथ की अंगुली तक सब में एकाग्र हो जाए. ये जो अनुभूति हम कर रहे हैं, पैर, पीठ, पेट, सीना, हाथ, गला, चेहरा, सिर, श्वास, आंख बंद करके जो माथे के सामने देखते हैं, वह सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक इसमें जो परिवर्तन हो रहा है, वो सब, यही तो सब कुछ है. इसी अनुभूति में अतीत, वर्तमान, भविष्य, इसी अनुभूति में जुड़ जाने पर पता चलता है कि हम आदि में भी हैं, मध्य में भी है, अंत में भी है. फिर हाथों को ऊपर नीचे करें. मूव आर्म्स अप एंड डाउन. फील हेड टू टोज मोर एंड मोर. presence of head to toe changes within and breath, the things we observe in this space in front of forehead, within this, whatever we realize, presence of head to toe changes within there exist past, present, future. One become expert practicing oneness with the head to toe changes within and breath and the Brahma, then we realize we exist in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. We realize our omnipresence nature. Scientifically it has been proved. What you are listening has been demonstrated by Lahari Maharshi, Yoga Avatar, by Jnana Avatar Swami Tirshagiri, by Paramahansa Yogananda, and come to the back, same thing was experienced by Mahatma Gandhi, by Jesus Christ, Buddha, Mahavir Swami, Kabir Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and all prophets of all ages and lands. They have experienced the same truth. Then we are very fortunate, we have everything that exists in this unique form, head to toes. अब हाथ ढीला करें, relax arms. अब सिर और रीढ़ पर विशेष एकाग्रता. Have more devotion to feel head and spine. Place both palms on the posterior surface of head. दोनों हथेली को हम सिर के पीछे रखें. आंख बंद रखते हुए भ्रूमध्य पर एकाग्र हो जाएं. आंख बंद रखते हुए भ्रूमध्य के सामने जो दिखता है उसमें एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं. आंख बंद रखते हुए श्वास अनुभव करते रहें. सिर से पैर की उंगली तक सब में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं. फिर सिर और रीढ़ पर विशेष एकाग्र होकर के आहिस्ता आहिस्ता धीरे धीरे शरीर को दाहिनी तरफ, बाईं तरफ, पीछे की तरफ, आगे की तरफ इस प्रकार झुकाए कि झुकाने में आराम मिले. Placing both palms on the posterior surface of head. Feel head to toes, changes within. Feel breath. Feel concentration of mind on Bhumad. Feel head to toes more and more. Curving head and spine towards right, left, backward, forward. This bending should be very comfortable. Each and every moment what we feel within there exists past, present, future of all creations. Within we will experience beginning, middle and end of all things. Raise arms up, clench fist, open palm. Now with the help of meditation stand. With the help of meditation stand, close ears. When ears are closed, appreciate all vibrations we observe in the form of sound waves of various frequencies. Now we are able to have multi-dimensional awareness on self, head to toes, changes within, head and spine, breath, color rays in the space in front of forehead, and sound waves of various frequencies. Practice oneness with all. Then we will have better acceleration to reach to the ultimate truth that Kriya Yoga is the perfect religion. Kriya Yoga is called the perfect religion which brings realization that truth is eternal. Each and every creation is eternal. Moment we realize, then we are accepting Sanatan Dharma. पूरी एकाग्रता के साथ अब स्वरूप में केंद्रित हो जाएं। स्वरूप की अनुभूति सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक श्वास के रूप में, माथे के सामने सूक्ष्म दृश्य के रूप में, जो कान बंद करके सुनते हैं ध्वनि तरंगों के रूप में, सब में इस तरह से एकाग्र हो जाएं कि उसी में हम लीन हो गए, उसी में समाहित हो गए। इस तरह से हम बार बार अभ्यास करते करते ऐसी स्थिति को प्राप्त हो जाए कि अभ्यास स्वतः होने लगे। हर समय सभी प्रकार के कर्मों को संपादित करते हुए practice this again and again till we reach to a stage that we must be able to practice it all the time while working and resting. एकाग्र हो जाएं सिर से पैर की अंगुली तक, हिला डुला करके इस अनुभव करें। Have full awareness on head to toes. Try to move head to toes and feel it. Practice double breathing followed by stretching relaxation. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation.